Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Triangle Nursery channel. I'm Debbie, and in today's short technique tutorial we're going to focus on leaf manipulation, a valuable design trick used to create structure, movement and elegance within your floral arrangements. Whether you're working on a large-scale installation, a corporate design or a wedding piece, this technique is perfect for bringing a sculptural contemporary edge to your work. So what exactly is leaf manipulation? Well, it's the practice of reshaping or repositioning foliage, particularly along flexible leaves like Phoenix robellini, palms, cycas, aspidistra or steelgrass to create lines, curves, loops or tension within a design. You might use this to guide the viewer's eye into the design to add drama or simply create a modern silhouette in a minimal design. To do this securely and cleanly, we use wiring techniques that give the leaf strength and shape without damaging or bruising it. Today I'll show you how to manipulate a palm leaf using a stay wire to give structure and bind wire to secure and finish cleanly. You could also use aluminium wire to add a decorative finish to the palms, and colour also. The different type of wire that you use can bring another colour palette into your design and actually balance with the florals that you're using. So let's get started. So I've got some 71 by 30mm stub wires here, which I'm bundling up in fours to create my stay wire. So using parafilm, you could also use Stemtex. I'm just going to bind those wires together and then tape in the next four so that you actually get a nice long stay wire to use. Now, depending on the leaf, you may require a heavier wire gauge. So cycas, for example, are not quite as malleable as the Phoenix robellini, so you may find you need a heavier wire. So once that's taped cleanly, place that against the spine of the palm. You can see that following the spine all the way down, and then flip over to the front, and taking our binding wire, that is covered binding wire, bind at the base nice and securely, and then in between every single set of leaves, bring that wire all the way down, making sure you entrap the stay wire at the back as you progress. Make sure that stay wire stays in the position. I'll turn it over so you can see. So you want to keep it against the spine of the palm. And then once you've got to the very end, turn the binding wire over. Just going to trim that off. And then bind the last piece around that stay wire and back on itself. And thread it underneath the wire so it's nice and safe and secure. And there you have it. Just tie that bit in. So now you can manipulate that leaf into whatever shape you like. So it does become nice and malleable. So gently teasing the leaf into a position. I'm going to create a zigzag. Be gentle because you don't want to snap the leaf, especially if it's come straight out of cold storage, because it will be quite stiff and firm. So once it warms up a bit, you'll find it's easier to move into the position that you want it to be. There you have a really funky zigzag. So perfect for a contemporary design. With a few strelitzes, that would work perfectly. So that's it. A simple yet transformative technique that adds style, movement and sophistication to your floral work. Leaf manipulation is a hallmark of a more advanced design work, and once you start practicing, you'll find so many creative applications, from installations to bouquets and everything in between. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to share your comments and feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you again in the next tutorial. Bye for now.